Yes. Right now, welcome back to the studio right now. And right now, Muta right now, and we have something to say. We have somebody important online right now. I just want to go over to him right now, and that person here is a legend right now for reggae music. Yes, Mr. Bob. Hello, Bob. Hello, Mr. Bob. Yeah, Mr. Bob. Yeah, man. How when him want to come say about I? Then I know say I was the first reggae artist we bust about the place. It's I said the thing. It's I shot sheriff, and it's I who's having. No. But Marley, as we know say you are the best and you are talented, we want to find out. So what you feel about Rita right now? Cause you left her alive and she have all of the riches right now. Enjoy. Well, you see, I don't fear and I don't feel no way when Rita want, you know. 'Cause I remember, say, it was I who locked so many different women and have so many different children right now. I just, they don't get so, under, sir, relax right now. 'Cause, each part I don't know why I just, they very high right now. I understand. I just love the things where Damien and Juan David. Him a carry the music. I mean, I tell you, sorry for years O'Neal drop out. But then again, me glad to see him down here. You see it? Cause although we drop out, we not gone. And remember, I shot the sheriff and I am the only Bob around here. Alright, Bob Marley, thank you for your words, your good words right now. Yes. No. We go to talk somebody who's controversial right now. Michael Jackson. Yes. Here's a plan. Your what? No, what would I call it? No, your memorial. What you feel about that? Them fight over maybe which day or something like that. I don't remember the news. To that not my knowledge. But can you elaborate and how you feel? Well, right now, I don't know. But I'm just so happy that they remember me, and the children are future, and just, oh my God, I'm just so overwhelmed with joy, and I can't explain it. I love Jamaica. I did want to come to perform in Jamaica, but you know my condition. I couldn't come in such hot heat. I would have to, get some more protections. But I love Jamaica and I love the music, and I want to say big up to Tito, all of my family, and oh, can I forget Janet Jackson, my lovely little sister. I love her to death. Take care of my kids, 'cause I'm still the king of pop. Yes, Michael, I see that you are still licking off pop right now. Moving along right now, and with talent radio. And we want to say, tune in to www.withtalent.net right now. I say, if you go to withtalent.net, me say, if you visit withtalent.net. And it's www.withtalent withtalent.net. You understand? So that's it. So everybody, make sure to come and tune in. Yes, we are here right now. Sorry for that little bit of intermission thing on the ground still. But we are here right now, and right now we are going to talk to someone very controversial right now. Yes, the founder of the Labour JLP Party, Jamaica Labour Rights, you don't know. Green are the color, but not the heart and not the arm. No, Mr. Edward Siaga, what you have to say right now? Because we know, thank you for calling to the program. What you have to say? Well, as the national leader of the JLP and as the founder of the JLP Party, I, Edward Siaga, have nothing further more to say. Then Bruce Golden should sit down. He have done disgrace more to the party and to the great country of Jamaica. I love the people of the valley, and I'm sorry and I'm so sad to hear of what happened down there. I have heard all the cries, but I will not take office back again because I love to be with my family. But what I will do is stand up for the rights of the people of the valley, that community that I started. And we are here and we are glad that everything is calm down, because right now it was very saddened to hear that 73 people was murdered because of the failing of the head one who came that he is the head, Mr. Bruce Golding. He have done the country very wrong, and I will surely vote for him to step down. He should have done the honorable thing and step down. But I'm not running for parliament. I'm just standing up for the people of Tivoli, because they are good people. They are not only bad people as only me that want to put it. They have been good. The Tivoli football team is one of the most revered in Jamaica Premier League. The netball team of Tivoli is so good. They are number one. The Tivoli dance troopers that keep Jamaican culture alive. They have ever since run goal every time they enter. You have bankers and nurses that live in Tivoli. But I am certain as a former leader of the JLP of what Mr. Bruce Golding has done to the ministry, to the party. But I will not take up office, but I will defend the people of Tivoli. And these are my few words about the matter. Yes, well, thank you, Edward Siaga. That's a very, very powerful speech right now, and I want the things to think about. And we want to say, big up to you to come and talk to us right now. And we are very, 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 very saddened about the deaths of people in Tivoli right now. So right now, yeah, we're going for a break, and that's about it right now. Yes, we're going for a break right now.